Welcome back everyone. Today we would like to run Claude Code for free with Ollama locally. So before moving to the topic, I will clear one concept that most people don't understand, that what is Claude? Let's consider the Claude as car and the AI model as engine. So the Claude itself is not the AI model. The Claude is used to organize our projects, files and tools. If we are talking about Claude, we doesn't mean the AI model. The actual intelligence comes from AI models that we are talking. AI models like Sonnet, Opus, Heiko, and Qwen, Llama, Gemma, and these are the AI models that the clarity considered as the body of the car, and inside that the most important part, which is engine. So when we are talking about using Claude Code for free with Ollama or Openrouter in my previous video, so we mean to use the body of Claude, and inside that we will use open source models. The open source models provided by Openrouter or Ollama that we can use like Qwen, Llama, Gemma, and other open source models. So we mean like this. Just understand about this concept. And if we come to the closed source like ChatGPT, Gemini, and the Anthropic models, so we cannot use these for free. And if we come to the open source means that we can download them and run them on our machine like Qwen, like Llama, like Mistral, and like Gemma. These are the open source models that we can run on our own machine, or we can run them for free. So now let's move and understand and learn how to use now the Claude Code for free with Ollama. So first of all, just come here to the browser, and in the browser, we will just search for Ollama. So we will download Ollama. Simply come here to the Ollama download. So we will move to the download section of Ollama. Open the Ollama website and come here to the download, and here you can download it for Linux, Mac and Windows. So we will download it for Windows. So I already downloaded it. Let's check it. Okay, this is the Ollama setup that I downloaded. Now first of all, we will install it. Simply double click on this. So press here the install button to install it. Yeah, the Ollama has been installed. After installation, you will see the interface like this. So here we can select, look at the right side, we can select the models. There are lots of, these are cloud-based models. You can directly chat with them. And here you can see the downloadable models. Look at, these are all models that we can download. Gemma, Dipsy, Qwen. So we can download them and use on our own machine. So let's move back to the Openrouter. So come here to the models. So on models, you will see lots of models that you can download and use them for free. But there are some models which are totally cloud-based. Like let's look at this Minimax M2.7. This is totally cloud-based. We can download it. Let's come here. Look at, we just have this cloud-based one. So there are models that we can download and use them, like Qwen 3.5. Look at, let's press on this one. Look at, these are the size and these are the context that we can do using these. Okay, we can download these all models, but these two are cloud based that we can use with cloud. But these we can download them, but the best one is this 81 GB, but that requires lots of hardware. And this is 24 GB, this is 17 GB, but we will download a lower GB model later. Okay, so come here down, you can see the benchmarks also that you can compare with other open and closed source models. You can see the benchmarks, and here you will see the review with other in comparison with other models. So that's it about now. We will pull a model and use that on our machine, but the size of these are, you can download which one is best for you and for your PC, like 24, 81 or 17 GB or 6.6 GB. But this is a demo that I just want to show you. So for that I will download a low GB model. So there we have a model which is just 500 MB. So I will search for Qwen 3. So this one, just come here, and here we have a model. So look at 523 MB because it will be downloaded soon. So let's copy this model name. After copying that, let's open CMD PowerShell or directly come here to the VS Code editor. Okay, so simply come here. I will close this, and this is the new terminal. So here simply I will write Ollama pull and paste that model name Qwen 3 0.6 billion. So let's press enter. Now it will start to download this. Let's look at the download has been started. Here you will see the percentage and here the speed, everything, how much time it will take. So let's wait until it completes the downloading this model. And one thing else that I should mention, just come here to the Openrouter. We can use Claude Code for free with Openrouter. Also, I have made a video on that. You have the description you have link in the description for that video. You can watch that. Also, here I will show you something that you can see the popular models on Openrouter. Let's wait. So simply come here to the ranking. On the ranking page, we can see the models. So here on this page, you can find like top models. You can see them here, like Qwen 3.6 plus, which is the top. 2.6 trillion tokens, Memo, and Qwen 3.6 plus Preview, DeepSeek. These are the models. And we will come here to the programming, okay, the benchmark and fastest models and categories, languages. This is programming, okay. For the programming, let's check that. Look at, we have Memo version 2, V2 Pro, okay, this one, which is by Zumi, DeepSeek, Step 3.5, Minimax 2.7, Gemini 3. So these are the top models that you can use, okay. Compare models, okay, you can compare them for 13 billion. Context, okay, this is just the ranking page that you can see based on different categories. So let's close it back. We are here back on the Qwen 3. So let's wait until it completes the download. So we pulled the Qwen 3 0.6 billion. Now we will use it. Okay, so to use it, let's open the Ollama. After opening that, come here to the launch. So to launch it, simply it is launching. So instead of launch, we will just run it. Okay, so to run it, there we can move. We will just run the command. So here, okay, Ollama run Qwen 3. So we will copy this. Instead of Qwen 3, we have pulled which model? We have pulled this model. Okay, so then we will copy that model. Simply come here and let's first of all clear this and right click. Instead of Qwen 3, our model was, let's copy that model. Yeah, this model we pull down. So simply let's come here and press enter. So we are now just messaging, chatting with this model that we pulled right now. Okay, send a message, for example, let's simply say hi. So it will respond. So look at, it is responding to us. So this is locally and private. Okay, it might be slow or the result might not be that much good as we expect because this is just 0.6 billion. So you can pull other models like 142 GB, like 20 GB, 19 GB, and other models are Qwen 3.6, which has been released recently, and I have uploaded a video on that. You can watch that also. Link is in the description, which is very powerful model. So we can just chat with that. So this was just a demo that I showed you how we can pull a model and how we can use that locally, okay, using Ollama. Now we don't need, so now we would like to run Claude, okay, to use this model on Claude. So to use it with Claude, first of all, we will move to the Ollama documentation, and here you will see the integration and Claude Code. After coming to the Claude Code, we will come to the install. In install, we have command for Mac and Linux and for Windows. For Windows, simply copy this and run it in your terminal like this and press enter. So it will install Claude Code on your machine. But I have already installed it. Let's check the version. Claude version. So this is the version of Claude. Now to simply run Claude, you will face with this page, okay? It says select the theme, for example, dark mode. After selecting this, you will face with the login page, okay? To log in to the Claude, to use Claude. So for login, there are three options: with subscription, with console, and also the third party. Press third party and we will just press Ctrl C to exit from this mode. So because we would like to use it with Ollama. So come here back to the Ollama website, and here you will see Ollama Launch Claude. Okay, this is quick setup, and also you can directly run with the model that you downloaded. You can specify the model. So simply let's first of all copy this and come here back to the terminal, right click and press enter. So it will now just, these are the models that recommended by Claude. So these are the recommended models. If you want to use them, you can download these, but these four are cloud-based. Look at the right side, there is written cloud. These are cloud-based models that you can use. No need for download, but we will use our own local models. Look at that end, we have two models downloaded, Gemma 3 1 billion and Qwen 3 0.6 billion. So we will select Qwen 3 0.6 billion, press enter to use this model. One thing just keep in mind, this is just 0.6 billion parameters. Okay, it is not recommended, but just to show you for the demo. So let's simply ask from this Claude. For example, I just want to write hi. So what will be the response of this? Let's wait, it will take some time. So this was the response of our Qwen 0.6 billion. Hi, how can I assist you? Like this was the response, that how we can use it. Now let's directly now launch our model like this. Okay, simply copy this and come here. I will close this and right click here. Instead of this, now I will use Gemma 3 1 billion parameter, this model. Press enter, so it will launch Claude using this model. Look at right now we have Gemma 3 1 billion parameters. So this is how we can use Claude Code or with other models, locally models that we have downloaded. These are slow, but these are private models. If your hardware setup is high, so then these are the best options for you to use for privately, locally with Ollama models. So that's how we can configure with Claude. And the second method, as I told you at the start, that we can use it with Openrouter API. So yeah, this is that video on my channel that you can see, Claude Code plus Openrouter. So this video, watch this video if you would like to configure with Openrouter API and key. So this was how about how to configure Claude Code with Ollama for free with local models. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.